Evening, folks. It's 11:15 on a Tuesday night, Black Shirt Tuesday, and it's about 11:15, about an hour before the moon actually sets. We're a waxing crescent, probably 2 days before first quarter, and I'm filming once again Comet 2017 T2 PanSTARRS with that 250,000 year orbit, if it ever comes back again, because it really is parabolic. Let me show you what I got right now as we're doing this. It's kind of in a neat field. Remember, we just got out of the field of M81, M82. And here we are in Sequence Generator Pro. Well, we're running 1/82nd exposures. There's the comet. Looking good. Let's stretch it a little bit more. I don't know if that's a window. I'm going to have to go check it out, but take a look at this Coddington's Nebula. It is a dwarf spiral galaxy. It's got a lot of star birthing area. Check this out. And again, I'm going to go and fix this glare. I think it's from the window. Yow. We're doing really well, even though the moon's up, stretching at the high level. Wow. Yeah, there's that arc. Yeah, that looks like it is something. You can see an anti-tail. And wow. Hey, Coddington's Nebula, the dwarf galaxy, is 11 million light years away. I think it's in the same group as M81 group, which is 12 million light years away. So I think it's one of those things. But it's another great night. We're holding 1.73 half-lux radius while we are running the ZWO 294 MC Pro. And it's piggybacked with a good combination of the Celestron RASA or Roe Ackermann-Schmidt astrograph. It's 11. So it's a really good combination. It's pulling in some great tight stars all the way around. And yeah, I'm going to let it run tonight, especially when the light gets better. And it will be about 15 degrees when morning hits or heavy twilight hits. All right, folks. So that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to go do some more processing. I've got so much processing to do. Oh, for you folks who want to know where it's located, here it is in the sky. Here's the Big Dipper. And here's Polaris, the North Star, so it's almost due west. And you can see it's going to clear my house pretty much the whole night, or the cabin. Fun. All right, folks, so salute to you. More processing, more great stuff. The moon's going to wipe us out. After last night's episode with Comet Swan, with it absolutely look like it's disintegrating. Take care, folks.